This is an exciting day, friends, because as you can tell, we have transitioned to a new month. And we always talk about when we went to bed last night, it was March 31st. And when we woke up this morning, the calendar had changed and it was April. Today's a silly day because April 1st usually means that people are playing practical jokes on each other. And they do something silly and they say, April Fools. But I'm not going to joke with you today about our calendar. All the things I'm going to tell you are true. And so you don't have to be worried that I'm telling you silly jokes. Today is Wednesday, April 1st. So we're going to put our number 1 right here. Now you're going to notice on our number 1 card that we're going to have some different pictures this month. As you can see, we have a picture of a kite. And I want you to look closely at our kite and see what shapes make up our kite. A lot of the things that we're going to be doing this month are going to be focusing again on shapes. We are also going to have patterns and different colors that appear, but the most important thing to look at here are what shape predominantly makes up our kite. It looks sort of like a diamond, but inside that diamond, there is a specific shape that I'm looking for. And the ribbon on the string is made up of that particular shape. Another thing I want you to notice about our picture on our calendar month picture, there are some storm clouds and rain on this side, and there are sunshine and flowers on this side. There's a little saying that people say about April that goes like this. They say, April showers bring May flowers, meaning we tend to get a lot of rain in the month of April, but at the end of that rainfall, we get to see lots of beautiful flowers and grass and bushes and trees that are in bloom and blossoming. So that's something that's special. The other thing that's different this month, is that we no longer have our clothes. Remember our shirts and our pants and our skirt that were all up? We have a star. And one thing that we're going to do as we add up the days on our calendar is we are going to color in the points on the star. You'll notice that there are 5 points on the star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each of those points is made up of a specific shape. And I'm going to let you guess what that is. It also matches the shape that is specific to our kites. And in the middle of the star, once we fill in the points, you'll see a different shape in the very center of the star. So that's something to look forward to. Now we said today was number 1. As Benjamin would say, this is easy peasy. And if he was doing our calendar, it would be no big thing at all. We are going to write the number 1, which is just a straight line down. We're going to add that to our today we have, because remember, now we are no longer counting buttons, we're going to count points. So I'm going to fill in a point on our star. Since we have already made it all the way to 100 with our counting hands and our buckets of rocks, then the calendar person, if we were at school, you would get to be choosing the color and coloring in our point. Sorry about that. It's kind of sloppy, Mrs. Canaire. That's just terrible. So we have 1 point, the number 1, and the number 1 for the month of April. All right, friends, easy things to do, counting to number 1, continue counting by 5s, continue counting by 10s, and practicing your days of the week song every day to keep sharp so you're ready for kindergarten next year. You can tell Mrs. Smith how super smart you are. Love you guys, and we'll do it again tomorrow.